Hello and welcome to a new video, and today we are going to create our first free device on the Datacake LNS. So let's go. So in the last video we have created a free account on Datacake, and with your free account you have 5 free devices. So you can add some devices to test the platform and to have a feeling for it. So today we are going to add one of the most beloved sensors on Datacake, a Milesight EM300 sensor for temperature and humidity. It has a little probe as well. And I have prepared the DevEUI of the device and the keys for it. You will need the AppEUI or join EUI. You will also need the AppKey. And you will have to give it a name because we are going to add this device to the Datacake LNS. And again, the Datacake LNS is included in all of our packages, also on the free package. So you can actually add your device to the free tier. So we are going to click on add device. And in this case, this device is a LoRaWAN device. So we are going to select LoRaWAN, and in here we will select the new product from template because we already have a template for the Milesight EM300. And as you can see, we have different ones. The TH is the temperature and humidity template. So you can see in here, temperature and humidity sensor, you will select it. And in the network server, we will select the Datacake LNS and we will click on next. And now for this step, you will need the keys that I mentioned before. We will need the DevEUI, which I just copied. You will need the AppEUI, which is here. And the AppKey, which is a little bit longer, you will paste in here. And as the name, I'm going to name this device simply with the brand and the model of the device. And I'm going to say it's the 01 because maybe later on I want to create a big fleet of these devices. So that's going to be the number 1. And for my frequency, I can select different options. In my case, I'm going to select the Europe because we are located in Germany, but we also have support for other frequencies. And the device class is class A, but you also can select a class C device class, and you can give the device location already. You can type in any location. It can be a building, it can be an address, it can also be a place inside of a building. You can say it's in the department A or B, and you can also give tags to the device already. We are not going to do that right now, but you can, and that makes everything easier from the beginning when you already have an idea of what your project is going to look like. And I'm going to select the free tier in this case for my devices. Again, you have 5 free devices inside of your workspace, and I'm going to click add one device. And as you can see, now my device is in here. It was a couple of clicks and copying, pasting some data from the device. And now the device is existing inside of my workspace, and it has already a beautiful dashboard that you can modify if you want. You can also use it in the way that it is configured for the template. And you can also go to configuration, see inside of here, you can always change the device name. You can add an icon for the device, the location description that you didn't add while adding the device, you can add right now, add tags. You can also add metadata fields, add images. You can always personalize your devices. And down there, you're going to see that you have actually access to the payload decoder inside of here and to the fields that this device is producing. So you can always modify, personalize your devices and play with them, create public links to share the dashboard, etc. And yeah, this was it. That's our first device on Datacake. This created a product inside of our workspace that you can later use to add a big fleet of the same devices, and that makes everything very manageable inside of Datacake. So yeah, you now saw how easy it is to create your first workspace to sign up, manage your tenants inside of Datacake, add your first free device to the Datacake LNS, which is also for free, and start your IoT project and just start making things out of your data. I was really happy to show you this, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.